This is part of the 7 Basic Human Movement video series. This particular basic human movement is the vertical pull. So vertical meaning up and down, and this is a pull. So we're either going to pull down or pull up. So I'm going to show you various options for that. So first, let's just use the equipment that I have right in front of me. If I want to pull up, okay, so something I want to always think about is I want to keep my shoulders out of my ears. My shoulders are not earrings. So I'm going to keep them down. Part of keeping them down means that I pinch my shoulder blades together and I tighten my lats and pinch those. It's almost like I'm trying to put my shoulder blades in my back pockets. So I'm always going to be pinched and down, good and solid. My abs are always going to be tight, and if I'm standing, all of my glutes are also going to be tight as well. So let's take this first one with the band. You can step on the band. Stand up straight, glutes tight, shoulders out of my ears, shoulder blades pinched, and my lats engaged. And then I'm going to just pull up. It's a short pull. I'm pinching my back together as well as my shoulders pulling up. So this is a vertical pull from the ground. Let me show you from the side. All right, this can also be done with dumbbells. Glutes tight, heels in the ground, shoulders out of my ears, back tight. Lift. My back is pinching. And from the side. Okay, so those are pull-ups, or pull-up from the ground. Now we can also pull down from the ceiling. Ultimately, this is a pull-up, and we'll talk about pull-ups in another video in themselves, but there's a lot of people that don't have a pull-up. That's okay. We're going to modify for that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to use a bar. So you may find a Smith machine at your gym, or just a squat rack that has a good bar. And you're just going to do a pull-up that's assisted because your feet are on the ground. So let me show that one to you. I'll show you from the front and the back. Hang straight down. Make sure your shoulders are out of your ears. Back is tight. And you pull straight up. But you let your feet help you as much as you need to. And your pull is here. So let me turn around and see if you can see my back from this angle. Alright, I'm going to take this bar off, set it aside, and then come back and show you how to do this with rings and a TRX. If you have rings, I love rings. They're awesome. It's the exact same movement that we just performed, but it's with the rings. Straight underneath the rings, pull up. Now, another option, a lot of gyms these days have a TRX, some sort of a strap of some sort. You can do the same movement with these. Pull up. And as you get tired, your feet are under you, you can use them more or less. Now, let me show you a banded option. I have to hook this one up. But, take a band. Sling it over a high bar or a tree. You can do this anywhere. you can just stand. Get a good tension on the band, shoulders out of my ears, pull the band down. You can get a band with more or less resistance depending on your strength. Let me do that one from the back. So, those are several ways that you can do a vertical pull. It's a pull down or a pull up. Either way, it's vertical. Those are 2 of the 7 basic human movements.